Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a bird.
Yeah, with a bird feeder. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yes.
First, let's draw our bird. We're going to draw a happy bird since it's eating. We're going to draw a line straight across for the mouth. And I'm drawing it over here on the right side so that we have room for the bird feeder over here. Then we're going to draw the top of the beak. We're going to draw a line that comes up and back down. And then let's draw the bottom of the beak. We're going to draw a bigger V or U shape. And then this will be the mouth open, so let's draw a little tongue inside. Yeah, now let's draw the cute eyes. I'm going to draw a circle about this size on the left and same size on the right. And if we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need extra time, especially when we're fast forwarding and coloring in our drawing. We're going to add two smaller circles in the top left. This will be the highlight. So we want to leave that white and then color in the big circle. Next, we're going to draw the head, and we'll start here. Let's draw the bottom of our little bird's head. I'm going to draw a kind of U shape that's really wide. We'll start on the left. Yes, underneath for the chin, and then back up here. Then we're going to draw the top of our little bird head, and I'm going to go up higher. It kind of looks like an egg shape. And then we could also add little feathers up here at the top. It's pretty cute. Okay, now let's draw our little bird's wing. We're going to draw our body and the wing kind of off to the side. Almost looks like it's flying to the left, even though it's looking right at us. Then we're going to draw a feather. And then we can draw a bigger feather coming up higher and connecting in to the cheek. Yes, and then let's draw the belly. We're going to draw over here. We'll come down, but not too far, and then we'll come back up and connect to the wing. Yeah, and then we could also draw the other wing, but we can only see part of it since it's behind the body. Yeah, that's really cute. Okay, we could also draw little toes or feet sticking out the bottom. Next, we're going to draw the bird feeder. We're going to draw over here on the left. Let's start by drawing a letter V upside down. This is the top of our bird feeder. Next, let's draw a line connecting, turning it into a triangle. And then let's draw a line coming down on each side. And then we'll draw the bottom of our bird feeder, connecting those two lines together. And then let's make it a little thicker down here at the bottom. We'll draw two smaller lines coming in. Then we'll connect those lines together. And then let's draw a little circle up here at the top. And then we can draw a string coming up to the branch. Let's draw a branch that our bird feeder is hanging from. And I'm going to start right here, and we'll draw a curve that comes over. And I'm going to stop right when I get past the bird. Yeah, and then we can draw the trunk of our little tree coming down. Then let's make our branch a little thicker. I'm going to draw a little, well, come in a little bit, and then we'll make a smaller branch coming up. And then we're going to draw the rest of the branch coming over here. And see how I'm close on the left, but then on the right side I got further away over here. So it tapers as it gets to the end of the branch. Yeah, then we can draw maybe part of the trunk coming up higher. Then let's leave a little space, and we're going to draw the other side of the trunk coming down. And I got a little further away at the bottom too. So it tapers up at the top. Yes. Okay, and then we can draw grass down here. I'm going to draw a zigzag line all the way over to the left. It's really cute. And we can draw an oval shape up here at the top for the end of our trunk. Kind of looks like our tree is cut down, but it's still growing. Got a little center, and then, let's add some leaves. I'm going to draw a small branch here. Then we can draw a leaf shape coming out and back in. Let's draw a couple more of those little leaves. I'm going to draw a small branch, and we'll draw the leaf coming out and back in. Oh, maybe on this side, I'm going to draw, let's draw the stick coming out further, and then we can draw another branch coming off. Then let's add 2 leaf shapes on this branch. What's our drawing missing?
Bird seeds.
Yeah, we need to feed our bird. Let's draw little upside down U shapes inside of our bird feeder. And I'm going to add another row. So it kind of looks like a pile of bird seeds. And you can keep going, adding another row on top. I'm also getting a little smaller so that the pile looks like it's mounded up here at the top. We did it. We finished drawing our birds and bird feeder, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video at the end and take time to color your drawings. You can use ours as inspiration. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute little birds and their bird feeder, and it turned out perfect. I especially love yours.
Oh, thanks. I love yours too.
Thank you. You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or you could change it any way you want. You could change the color of your bird.
Or even add more things in the background.
Oh yeah, that would be awesome. You could add another bird up here at the top, maybe a really small one. If you have the same Art for Kids Hub markers that we're using, you can use the same colors. We use 103 brown for the tree. Also,
59 green for the grass and 46 green for the leaves.
yeah, this is a lighter green and then also a darker green. I used 33 yellow for my bird. And what color blue did you use?
76.
We also used CG1 for the bird feeder and 24 orange for the seeds.
And don't forget 17 pink for the cheeks.
Yeah, that makes it really cute.
We hope you had fun drawing a bird and a bird feeder with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.